Hello, I'm Sarah Williams. Thank you for watching this instructional video for the Cetrotide Injection. We wish you success with your IVF journey. You will need the following: a vial of Cetrotide powder, a pre-filled syringe labeled sterile water, a 20 gauge 1.5 inch needle for mixing, a 27 gauge 3/4 inch needle for injection, alcohol prep wipe, gauze, and a sharps container. Remove the cap from the vial of Cetrotide and disinfect by wiping the top with an alcohol prep wipe. Remove the 20 gauge 1.5 inch needle for mixing from packaging. Remove the cap from the pre-filled syringe. Twist the needle onto the syringe. Remove the cap from the needle. Insert the needle into the vial of Cetrotide powder and push the plunger until all of the sterile water is inside of the vial. Invert the vial that is attached to the needle and syringe and pull the plunger as you keep the tip of the needle submerged. When the plunger is filled with all of the sterile water, remove the needle from the vial. Don't let the needle touch anything, including your hands. Recap the mixing needle. Detach the needle and dispose of the mixing needle into the sharps container. Remove the 27 gauge 3/4 inch needle for injection from its packaging. Twist the needle for injection onto the syringe. Remove the cap. Holding the needle upright, gently tap on the side of the syringe until the air bubbles migrate to the top. Apply slight pressure on the plunger until a drop of liquid appears at the tip of the needle. The injection is administered in a subcutaneous site specified by your physician. The most convenient site for the subcutaneous injection is in the abdomen around the navel. If your physician has specified that you are to administer this injection differently, for example, intramuscularly, please proceed as directed by your doctor or nurse. Wipe the injection site with an alcohol prep wipe and allow the skin to dry. Make sure to alternate the injection sites between both sides of your body. Take the syringe in your preferred hand. Pinch a fold of skin between your fingers and insert the needle in a slight angle. Release the skin after the full length of the needle is inserted. Push the plunger until all of the medication is administered into the injection site. Gently remove the syringe and apply pressure with the gauze. Dispose of the used syringe into the designated sharps container. Thank you for watching this instructional video for the Cetrotide Injection.